Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight you're about to witness the 11 Mayors Cup Open Invitational Basketball Tournament 2024 and matches to be played per team of Japo Sublimation Cois Nonoy BCB Sportswear up against per team of Princess Rusher Juan Badajos ng Puerto Princesa. Yan, magsisimula na po ang bakbakan ng Princess Rusher Juan Badajos laban sa team ng Japo Sublimation Cois Nonoy BCB. This game is sanctioned by FIBA rules and will be implemented by Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas Palawan Chapter. The starters per team of Japo Sublimation Cois Nonoy and jersey number 14 Jack Policarpio, or jersey number 73 EJ Rodriguez, and jersey number 69 Alcantara, number 26 Nino Calilong, and jersey number 13 JP Descalzo per team of Japo Sublimation Cois Nonoy, and number 27 Joshua Lapined, and number 7 Arisgado, 52 Frank De La Cruz ng Bayan ng Brooks Point, jersey number 22 Ayat Lianzanas, number 10 JB Erpayuan. Ang hari ng panalay ng lalawigan ng Iloilo, number 45 Mark Sinesa. And the complete lineup per team of Princess Rusher Juan Badajos, and jersey number 14 Renen Taripe, and jersey number 31 Lim, number 99 Hagmis, number 21 and number 7 Gutchoko, jersey number 58 for team of Princess Rusher Juan Badajos, number 59 Pau Pau Siasoko, and number 9 Andre Malabayabas, and number 13 Dominic Malabayabas, and number 16 Patrick Tim Bangkaya from Puerto Princesa, number 0 for team of Juan Badajos Princess Rusher in import from Quezon City, number 17 Urin Katakutan, and number 18 Amabs phenomenal player import from Pampanga, itong Daryl Cabana. Yan po ang complete lineup for both teams. And matches to be played for team of Japo Sublimation Cois Nonoy BCB. Unang banggahan po at makakatapat nila yung team ng Juan Badajos ng Puerto Princesa.